With my business being a very visual business, I found it quite easy actually to enter the global market because just having my own personal website built in the early 2001, it can go viral within a short space of time. It made me realise that the power of the internet is the way in which to market and promote my work. Now I have people from all over the world who follow my work online.
Working on an international level with international clients, the key that I've learned is if you think small, you'll get small results. Big companies like companies who think big. And that's why everything we try and push it as far as we can to the biggest point where we can take it.
When you're dealing internationally, I feel it like I'm representing my country. When I'm dealing in America, I'm a Welsh artist and I certainly promote my roots. It's like anything when you're dealing with a customer down the road or you're dealing with somebody in Boston or New York. It's still the same. You treat them the same. And I've never found a problem with dealing internationally then.
The benefits are brilliant. Benefits are for customers that you can open up a larger number of working hours. The market itself is a bigger market, so you've got a lot more opportunity. The constraints that come with that is you have to then make sure all your processes are absolutely streamlined so that you can transfer knowledge, processes all over to a new office.
I certainly had a little bit of a fear about sending my work to America because I'd heard horror stories about artists getting charged for taxes and things like this, but there's lots of organisations now that can help you with sending your work abroad. I certainly haven't found it a problem. Sometimes you have to be a bit tenacious. If you think about sometimes the project you've got in front of you, say if you've got a trade fair in Chicago or something like that, it can be quite overpowering. But there's plenty of help online, there's plenty of people that you can speak to who can help you along that way.
My advice would be to do your research within your market and make sure that you research where the talent is within that market to produce whatever it is you're doing. A key part of us moving into the States was me going around the different parts of America, finding out where it was best to place our office, and lucky enough it was Miami for us.
Advice I would give to an entrepreneur is go for it and just try it, and if you don't know until you try.